Hey, what up YouTube? This is your boy Umar Mukhtar, back again with another video. So this video will be about double exposure. Double exposure is a technique in which what we basically do is we merge two different images, or more than two, there can be many, merging more than one or multiple images into one to basically creating a new image, which is super cool technique. So I'm gonna be showing you that. So just stay till the end of the video. So I'm just gonna open up a new canvas. So what I've done is I've taken an A4 size canvas and I'm gonna keep it on a 600 resolution, and then click on OK, which is gonna open up a canvas or an artboard, you can say. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crop it out 4:5 ratio. What I basically did here is that this is an Instagram post size. Now if you wanna like create a post for Instagram, so what you want to do is you're gonna open an A4 size canvas with a 600 resolution, and then crop it out to the dimensions of an Instagram post, so that you don't have to crop it on Instagram app. You've already cropped it out, so you're just gonna post it. Okay, let's move forward. So I'm just gonna open up the images that I want to use. This is the canvas. This is the base image, the main image on which we're gonna be applying all the different images to. So I'm just gonna bring it into our canvas. I'm gonna centralize it, enlarge it. There you go. And then after this I'm gonna be bringing the other images in as well, but right now I'm just fixing it up. I'm happy with that. So I'm just gonna select a quick selection tool. This is called a quick selection tool. It's really helpful, really easy, and gets the selection job done quite nicely. So I'm just gonna rub it up, the selection that I want to make, carefully selecting the corners as well. So after my selection is done, I'm gonna create a mask. So that's the mask, and for this I actually want my subject to be completely black, so I'm just using this threshold. The threshold is like I just took the slider to the very right to get it all black, but you can also fill the selection up with black color as well, but this is just something I did. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is good, I'm happy with that. So I'm just gonna bring in the other image. Okay, so I'm selecting the center part of the men and the view outside the cave. I don't need that. I'm gonna just create a mask so that it's removed, it's erased, and then I'm just gonna clip it to the base image, which is the blacked out image of the girl, and I'm just gonna place it where I want. I'm gonna bring back, and I'm gonna bring the image that I wanna place at the back of that hollowed image that we just created. So this is a beautiful image that I really liked. It's really vivid, filled with colors, so I really like this. So I'm just gonna place it over there so that it looks good. So I'm gonna select the mask of the cave image, and with a soft brush I'm gonna soften the edges of the cave because I don't need that harsh edges. So I'm gonna soften this up with a 0% hardness. Gonna zoom in a bit and just gonna start brushing on the edges so that they're smoothed out. To blend it properly, we have to do this, otherwise it looks quite edgy, or we don't need that. Take your time while doing it. Now we're just gonna bring the other image. This is the third image. I'm gonna place it at that position. Now the color of the image that we just brought, that doesn't match the colors which is behind the cave. The color doesn't match that, so we're gonna change the colors of the image that we just brought in by opening up a camera raw filter, and we're just gonna try to match the color theme so that it can be blended properly. So take your time. This is the HSL and grayscale sliders, like through which we can touch every different colors which is present in that image. Like if there's orange present, we can use that. If there's red present, we can change that. If there's yellow, we can change that. So we can like change the luminance, saturation, hue of different color range present in that specific image. Just trying to match the colors. Happy with that, just click on OK, and there we go. You can see the before and after. Now there's a harsh line. There are two different images, so we need to blend it. What I'm gonna do for that is I'm gonna create a mask, and then I'm gonna take a brush, and with a black color, 0% hardness, I'm gonna smooth it out, fade it out, so that it looks like one image. So we're just gonna blend it. So we're just gonna fade it out, blend both the images into one. So I'm gonna create a new layer and I'm gonna color it up, a blank new layer I just took. To basically blend the color tone of the grass of the image that I've used, the sky and the men image, and I'm just gonna try to blend it out with the brown color of the cave so that they looks like one, or just to give an illusion of that this is just one big image rather than three different images. You can do all sort of stuff, but this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna open this image to create a beautiful background. So I'm gonna bring it right below our subject image, and then I'm gonna transform it, zoom it out to cover the complete canvas. Shift Alt click drag from the top right corner to keep the proportions right, and I'm gonna create a smart object, because when I'm gonna blur this image out, I need to know what level of blur that I used, or I can modify it afterwards. So I'm gonna see what looks good, and 72 looks great. I'm gonna hit OK, and there you have it. I think I'm done with that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna save it. So here you go. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.